Hello everyone, welcome to Grade Up. My name is Ayush Goel and we are studying theory of computation in these videos, right? So we have completed up till this point the topic of grammar and finite automata, okay? I hope you are clear with those topics. Now we are moving to the next topic, regular expression, okay? So we'll divide regular expression into sub parts. In this part, we'll study the basics of regular expression, that what is the meaning of this thing, and some examples on regular expression, okay? So let us start. First of all, what is a regular expression? See the definition. Regular expression is set of alphabets along with operations to denote a specific language. Okay? Regular expression is nothing but set of alphabets on which some operations are performed. Okay? Set of alphabets on which some operations are performed to denote a specific language. Clear? In other words, if I say, in easy thing I say, regular expression is a compact formula to generate any language. I want to generate any language L, so regular expression will be a compact formula for that language L. Got it? See here for an example. If I take an example, phi is the regular expression for empty language. You know this very well. If there is nothing in your language, what do you say? L equals to phi. Suppose null is the regular expression for language accepting only null. If there is only one thing in your language that is null, then the expression will be this, null. Okay? Next and important thing, now see, now this thing are the basics one. Now the actual thing begins. If I say you, all the things on A and B, how will you denote this? I have explained in the second video, I exactly remember, basics of TOC. I have explained there very well. Clean closure, clean star, A plus B whole star. This denotes all the things on language L. So basically this is nothing but a regular expression. Okay, this is a formula. Nothing else. Got it? A compact formula. Cleared? So that is the basic thing. Now we'll discuss some more examples on regular expression. Now we know the meaning. Meaning is nothing but a compact formula to denote any language L. Right? So now we'll see some examples to know or to understand better. Right? Let us start. First thing, ending with A. I say you, ending with A. See, how to write regular expression? Regular expression will be written in form of alphabets and operations on them. So see here, ending with A. Your string must end with A. Starting can come anything. What is that anything? A plus B star. See here, A plus B star A. This A represents that is always ending with A, and anything can come in before. Anything means all the strings can come. So A plus B whole star. Cleared? Any doubt? Okay. Now second point or second example, starting with A, ending with B. Can you try now? Can you try? Just try it yourself. If you do even wrong, I'll tell the correct answer. But try it yourself. See here, starting with A. So start with A. Ending with B. Okay, end with B. In between, anything can come again. So what is anything? A plus B whole star. Got it? Right? So if you have written correctly, very good. If you have written wrong, please rectify yourself where we have done wrong. Okay? Now, can you try for next yourself? Can you try? Starting with A and ending with A. Can you try yourself? Now, same thing you do. Starting with A, ending with A. In between, anything can come. Okay? You must have written this thing. Now I am guaranteed you must have written this thing. But guys, this is incomplete. Why this is incomplete, I'll tell you. Suppose my string is A. Is it a correct string or not? It is starting with A also, it is ending with A also. But does your regular expression accept this thing? No. Why? Because this regular expression contains at least AA. Starting with A and ending with A. In between, suppose you take nothing, then also the minimum is AA. So that's why it is incomplete, because A will also be accepted. So do like this. Plus A. Plus means anything. Either you can take this one or you can take this one. As you take union, nothing else. That's why you have to add plus A also, because this will also be accepted. So don't do mistake, don't do blindly. Right? This is the logic why A is required. because it also starts with A, it also ends with A, but your regular expression doesn't comprise this. So add separately. Got it? Any doubt in this? Good. Now, starting with 1, 1, ending with 0, 1. Now can you try? Try it yourself. Starting with 1, 1, ending with 0, 1. Try it yourself now. If you try to like this, 1, 1 and 0, 1. Okay? 1, 1 and 0, 1. And anything can come. So 0 plus 1 whole star. Anything can come. But try, if any string isn't left, suppose the minimum string is 1, 1, 0, 1. It is there in it. It is there. And when you try more, everything will be included. So there is no need at all to add other strings. Got it? So this is over. Now try it again for 1, 1 and 1, 1. Starting with 1, 1, ending with 1, 1. Write like this. Write like this only. 1, 1, 0 plus 1 star, 1, 1. Now try if you have left something or not. What have you left? Please tell me now. You can now judge yourself. What have the strings you have left? What are the strings you have left? You can judge it yourself. See, 1, 1. If you take only 1, 1, it is also starting with 1, 1. It is also ending with 1, 1. But here it is not. Why? Because there is at least 4 times 1. So add it separately. Finish? Is it finished? Anything else remaining? See, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. It is also starting with 1, 1, ending with 1, 1. But it is not there. So add it also. Okay. So these things you have to keep in mind. These things you have to keep in mind. In your interviews, your interviewer will ask, do you know TOC? You will say yes. He will ask this thing only. Write the regular expression for starting with 1, 1, ending with 1, 1. You will very proudly write this thing. You will very proudly write. But that time he will ask you, there are some things you have left. You have left these things. Right? So be careful at that time. Right? In GATE exam, you will not be asked. In GATE exam, you will be given some options. I will discuss that also. And you have to select the right one. Okay. Now, okay, this thing is also over. Now, as it contains, third example, contains only finite number of strings. Just add them. So, this is your answer. Just add the finite number of strings. If it is finite, don't take any operation, star, plus or anything. Just add them. There are only 2 strings possible, either 0, 1 or 0, 1, 1. Cleared? Any problem in this? Good. Now, some more examples. Length of string at least 3. Now length. Now comes the point of length. Now no A and B. Length must be at least 3. See here. Length 1. Length 2. Length 3. Now length becomes 3. And now anything can come. So what to fill inside these brackets? See here. A plus B. Anything from A and B can come. Anything from A and B can come. Now up till this point the length is exactly 3. But you need more. You need more. So now write like this. See. Up till this point the length is 3. So now length is 3 or more. Due to this the length is 3 or more. That is the meaning of at least 3. That is the meaning of at least 3. Got it in this thing? Any doubt? Can you write for exactly 3? I have written already. Exactly 3 is A plus B or A plus B. In compact form I can write it as like A plus B whole cube. In compact form I can write like this also. A plus B whole cube. This I can write it like this as A plus B whole cube, A plus B star. This is also correct. Cleared? Now can you do this thing? Length of string is at most 3. At most 3 means either the length is 0, 1, 2 or 3 but not more than 3. So how to do it? See, length 0 is null. Length 0 is null. Plus length 1 is A plus B. Length 2 is A plus B whole square. Length 3 is A plus B whole cube. But not more than that. Now you won't take any of the strings. Got it? So this is one more way to write your regular expressions. Cleared? I think these all are the examples I have taken during the construction of DFA. Right? See that video. I think video number 2 in FA. Same examples I have taken and now same I am taking in regular expressions. Got it? Any doubt in this thing? Good. Now we know what are the basics of regular expression, how how to write the regular expression. Now come on to the actual GATE examples. See here. This is asked in GATE 2016. See, which one of the following regular expression represents the language all binary strings having 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones? Okay, it is asking there must be 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones in your language. Okay, so now one option, you write regular expression yourself. You write regular expression yourself of 2 consecutive ones and 2 consecutive zeros. You try to write and then compare. But that is a very bad method. In GATE exam, it is a very bad method. In GATE exam, you always use option elimination method. Option elimination. Try to eliminate the options. Try to eliminate the options using suitable examples. See, it is asking 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones. I am erasing all this now. I don't require these underlines. Now, 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones. Try to eliminate the options one by one. Which is remaining will be the answer. So, I am trying for option A. I am trying for option A. So, it is saying yes. 0011, 1100. I can take any of these two. Yes, 2 consecutive zeros are there, 2 consecutive ones are there. So, you may be thinking it is right. You may be thinking it is right. But see here. 00, 10, 11. 001011. Is this string correct or not? Tell me. It contains 00 and 11. It contains 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones. So it must be a valid string. But does your regular expression, this regular expression, A option, consist this thing? Consist? No. Why? Because it is saying that the 2 consecutive ones and 2 consecutive zeros will be all together. But here it is not possible. Here it is not necessary. So that's why your option A is incorrect. That's why your option A is incorrect. Now try the same example or option B. See here. 00 and 11. Anything can come in between. Here also. Here also. 11 and 10. Anything can come in between. Okay. So that's why this string is not incorrect for the second option. Try the same for third option. Try the same. It is even not correct. It is even not correct. Right. See here. 00. It is saying. Now, option C. Take different example for option C. Suppose I take 00. Suppose I take only just 00. Option C will accept 00 here. Option C will accept 00. But 00 must be accepted or not? No, it will be rejected. Why? Because it doesn't contain 2 consecutive ones. But it is accepting. That's why option C is also incorrect. That's why it is also incorrect. Cleared? Now, next thing, D option. Use the option. Use the option. I am not generating these things blindly. I am looking at the option then thinking. So, see here, it is saying starting with 00. You don't take. This must be accepted or not? This must be accepted or not? But here it is not accepted. Here it is 2 consecutive 0, 2 consecutive ones. But here it is not accepted in any of the case. That's why option D is also incorrect. Right answer is option B. Okay. So in GATE exam or any other PSU exam like BARC, ISRO or anything, use this technique. Don't try to write yourself the regular expression. Try to go with option elimination. Got it? Now I am giving you one more example. Try it yourself now. Try it yourself. Okay. GATE 2010. Okay. See here. Let L equals to W belongs to 0 and 1 star. W has even number of ones. Okay. Your language must have even number of ones. So which one of the regular expression is correct? Okay. Now do option elimination yourself. Try one by one option. See option A. It is saying okay, 1 star. It will always generate even number of ones. But try to develop an example in which this is incorrect. See, try to develop. I am also trying. You also try. See, if I take 1 0 1 1 1. If I take this example, let us try if it is accepted or not. See, 1 0. This will be accepted. Why? See here. 101 is generated. 101 is generated from here. Then this 11 will be generated. Okay. So try to take a counter example in which this will be not true. This will be false. So try it. Try it yourself. Just try some more examples. If 2-3 examples you will try, then you will get that what examples you should have to take. See here. See here. Take example of this. If it is false anywhere else, if it is false anywhere else, try to do it like this. See, for option A, if I take something like this, 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, so now see one more example, GATE 2010. Now try it yourself. Try to give it one more attempt yourself, right? How to do it? A question will be given, 4 options are given. Try to eliminate the option one by one. Okay, so how will you eliminate these options? See, what is the language? Don't see the things written here. See the language. L equals to W. W has even number of ones. Okay, this is the language. That W has even number of ones. And you have to find which one of the following expressions are valid. Okay, so now try for one by one. Try one by one for each of these things. See here. For option A, remove this thing. For option A, try the thing. 0, even number of ones. What are the possible things? Either 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1 and so on. And so on. Suppose if I take 0 ones. Suppose I take 0, 1. I'll take something like this. It contains only zeros. It contains, the string contain only zeros. It doesn't contain any one. So, but option A will not accept only zeros. So that's why it is incorrect. That's why it is incorrect. But now see option B, C and D. They are accepting only zeros. So that's why option A is eliminated by this time. Now try for more options similarly. Right? Try for option C now. Suppose. Yeah, or you can try for option D. See here. Option D is also a problem. You can see. It is saying the minimal string, if I say, the minimal string is 1 1. The minimal string is 1 1. I can take the string null also. Either I can take the string null also. Why? Because null contains even number of ones, but it is not accepting null. That's why D option is also incorrect. Now, among B and C, what is the difference? What is the only difference between B and C? This 0 star. This 0 star. It is inside and it is outside. Now take some example according to this and then try. Suppose I say 1 0 1. Then I say suppose 0 0 1 0 1. This contain even number of ones or not? But this option C will not accept this. This option C will not accept. Why? Because it is saying that no 0 can come after this one. Right? So that is why C option is also eliminated. Right answer is option B. Clear? So after seeing the options, then decide. Right? After seeing the options, then decide what counter example you have to take. Cleared? So practice this and you will get the techniques. Try one more question. Try one more question for more clarification. Which of the following regular expression derives from the language that contain exactly 2 ones? Okay, that contain exactly 2 ones. Right? A option you can eliminate it by saying just. It is saying like this 1 1. But 1 0 1 will also be accepted. It contains 2 1, doesn't need to be consecutive. That's why incorrect. Same reason for option B. Same reason. Now here 1 0 1 is accepted. Here 1 0 1 is accepted. D option you can also eliminate by looking at cell. You can say 0 plus 1 whole star. It can generate 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. And but you need exactly 2 ones. That is why it is also incorrect. Right answer is option C. Cleared? So just by seeing the option, try to generate a string which will act as a counter example. Cleared? Any doubt in this? Good. So guys, that's all about our regular expression part 1. In this we see what is a regular expression and what are the examples and some previous year question on regular expression. Okay. In our next video, we'll see the properties of regular expression. There are some properties of regular expression. Alden's theorem is there. We'll see in our next video. Okay. So if you have any doubt or any other question to ask, you can post on the app. We'll surely answer. Okay guys. So stay updated. Thank you so much.